Hi! I see you're about to become smarter. This video will help you to improve your English language skills. So let's begin.
Engaging. Engaging. Engaging means charming and attractive. For example, Sophie had a sunny personality that was very engaging. Sophie had a sunny personality that was very engaging. Synonyms: charming, appealing, attractive. Eternal. Eternal. Eternal means lasting forever. For example, the secret of eternal youth. The secret of eternal youth. Synonyms: everlasting, never-ending, endless. Evolutionary. Evolutionary. Evolutionary means relating to or denoting process by which different kinds of organism are believed to have developed. For example, Darwinian evolutionary theory. Darwinian evolutionary theory. Exceptional. Exceptional. Exceptional means unusual. For example, crimes of exceptional callousness and cruelty. Crimes of exceptional callousness and cruelty. Synonyms: unusual, uncommon, abnormal. Excess. Excess. Excess means exceeding prescribed or desirable amount. For example, trim any excess fat off the meat. Trim any excess fat off the meat. Synonyms: surplus, superfluous, spare. Exclusive. Exclusive. Exclusive means excluding other things. For example, my exclusive focus is on San Antonio issues. My exclusive focus is on San Antonio issues. Synonyms: complete, full, entire. Experimental. Experimental. Experimental means based on untested ideas or techniques. For example, an experimental drug. An experimental drug. Synonyms: exploratory, investigational, probing. Explosive. Explosive. Explosive means able or likely to explode. For example, an explosive device. An explosive device. Synonyms: volatile, inflammable, flammable. Fatal. Fatal. Fatal means causing death. For example, a fatal accident. A fatal accident. Synonyms: deadly, lethal, mortal. Feminist. Feminist. Feminist means relating to or supporting feminism. For example, she became involved in the feminist movement. She became involved in the feminist movement. Fierce. Fierce. Fierce means violent or ferocious. For example, the tiger is the largest member of the cat family and a fierce predator. The tiger is the largest member of the cat family and a fierce predator. Synonyms: ferocious, savage, vicious. Flawed. Flawed. Flawed means having or characterized by fundamental weakness or imperfection. For example, flawed crystals. Flawed crystals. Synonyms: unsound, defective, faulty. Forthcoming. Forthcoming. Forthcoming means about to happen or appear. For example, the forthcoming baseball season. The forthcoming baseball season. Synonyms: imminent, impending, coming. Fragile. Fragile. Fragile means of object, easily broken or damaged. For example, fragile items such as glass and china. Fragile items such as glass and china. Synonyms: breakable, easily broken, brittle. Frustrated. Frustrated. Frustrated means feeling distress because unable to achieve something. For example, young people get frustrated with the system. Young people get frustrated with the system. Synonyms: saddened, upset, let down. Functional. Functional. Functional means ever having special activity or purpose. For example, there are important functional differences between left and right brain. There are important functional differences between left and right brain. Generic. Generic. Generic means characteristic of class or group of things. For example, chèvre is a generic term for all goat's milk cheese. Chèvre is a generic term for all goat's milk cheese. Synonyms: general, common, collective. Handy. Handy. Handy means useful. For example, a handy desktop encyclopedia. A handy desktop encyclopedia. Synonyms: useful, convenient, practical. Harsh. Harsh. Harsh means unpleasantly rough or jarring. For example, drenched in a harsh white neon light. Drenched in a harsh white neon light. Synonyms: grating, jarring, grinding. Hopeful. Hopeful. Hopeful means feeling or inspiring optimism about future event. For example, a hopeful sign. A hopeful sign. Synonyms: optimistic, full of hope, confident.
Great! Watch again, practice the sound, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.